How to fix Viber not sending pictures. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if you're not being able to send pictures on Viber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're not being able to send pictures on Viber, it's quite simple what you have to do. You can just try to update the Viber app first of all. So go to your browser or your App Store, Play Store, check if the Viber app has an update and update it to the latest version. If you have been trying to send to a certain person, instead of that person, just try sending it to someone new. So sometimes what happens is that that particular person might have blocked or restricted you. So you can try to tap the plus icon and try to send the picture to the other person. If you're being able to send to the other person but not to the person that you're trying to change, then in that case it could be that person may have blocked you. Now another thing that you can also try to do over here is just try to check your internet connection, because sometimes your internet connection could be the main cause of it. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular. If you're using cellular, try switching to Wi-Fi to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.